How to enable and disable cookies on Samsung Internet. First up, open the settings on your Samsung mobile, and now you want to scroll down and tap on apps. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and find Samsung Internet. You can simply search for it as well. Once you have found that, tap on that option, and here you want to tap on Samsung Internet settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll down and find the option of Sites and Downloads. Now tap on Site Permissions. Here the first option is cookies, so tap on that option, and right now it is set to allow all cookies, which means the cookies is enabled. Now if you want to disable it, you can tap on Block Third-Party Cookies or Block All Cookies. But remember that blocking all cookies, some websites may not work correctly. So you can just simply tap on Block Third-Party Cookies if you want to disable it, or tap on Allow All Cookies if you want to enable cookies on Samsung Internet. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.